Hey guys, Greg Silverman here. Come learn with me. Glenn Finnan in Scotland behind me. This article got a bit of likes. Let's see what it's about. Some come learn with me. This is from Chief Investment Officer, a good publication, CIO. Vaccines and pent-up demand will jazz stocks, says Paul Tudor Jones. Trends by the hedge fund time predicts an economic explosion in the second quarter. Okay, wouldn't that be nice? Virus vaccines and pent-up consumer demand augur a good 2021 for the stock market and economy, says hedge fund chieftain Paul Tudor Jones. Oops. Come on. The vaccine is going to bring us back, Jones told Yahoo Finance in a video interview. We're going to have an incredible growth rebound. Jones, the founder and CEO of Tudor Investments, predicted an explosion of economic expansion in next year's second quarter. Stock market will be the prime investment beneficiary, he said, with fixed income lagging as people crowd into risk on assets. 2 decades ago, he said, inflation-adjusted interest rates were around 2.5% with nominal, not adjusted rates, at 6%, and now they're at -2%, real and zero nominal. Result, what Wall Street calls TINA, or there is no alternative than stocks. And again, you can see why you've got Tesla at 900 times earnings, because of the fact there's really no real good alternative for cash. So let's see what Wall Street calls TINA, alternatives, other alternatives, stocks. Jones is a macro investor, not a devotee of individual stocks, but credit him for having a good eye for trend spotting of late. In May, he rightly predicted the ballooning value of Bitcoin. A further help to stock investing is that the uncertainty of the presidential election is gone. He said, irrespective, a lot of times, even when the fundamentals are irrespective, a lot of times, even what the fundamentals are, risk capital comes back into the markets, and that's kind of what we're seeing now. And I assume the trend is going to continue, Jones added. Commodities also will flourish amid a rush into consumer goods and entertainment, read restaurants. He suggests an upward bump for commodities could bring higher inflation. I have 4 kids in their 20s, and it's like a horse at the beginning of a race, Jones said. They're so ready to get to see their friends, to get to restaurants, to vacation. They're just ready to get out and go crazy, like I think everyone else in the world. At the beginning of the year, before the pandemic hit, Jones said stocks were too frothy and a sell-off was imminent. He was right. One hit in February and March, although not for the reasons he projected. Okay, well, that would be nice. So, thanks for coming, sharing with me. Come learn with me. You all take care. Bye-bye.